Imagine you're at a party, everyone's quiet, and no one knows how to start talking. Or you're on a first date, and the silence feels endless. What do you say to make things less awkward? In English, there's a perfect phrase for this. We call it to break the ice. It means to do something that makes people feel more comfortable and ready to talk. Imagine there's ice between two people. Once you break it, the conversation starts to flow. For example, at the party, John told a funny joke to break the ice. Teachers often play a simple game at the beginning of class to break the ice. On a first date, asking about hobbies is a great way to break the ice. Now, think about your way of breaking the ice. A smile, a joke, or maybe a question. Try to make your own sentence in the comments. That's today's phrase. If this was helpful, give it a like and subscribe. Tomorrow I'll teach you another phrase that makes English sound more natural.